Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should start by signing into Google and enabling location so maps can use live data. Once done, open Google Maps and type your destination into the search bar. This initiates routing. Make sure to select your travel mode, car, transit, walk, because each option uses different data and arrival estimates. Also, download an offline map if cellular service might drop. These first steps get precise navigation and reduce surprises later. Once you have initial directions, compare the suggested routes to pick the best mix of time and convenience. You'll tap alternatives to see different paths and their ETA. This helps when traffic or tolls matter. Next, add stops by selecting Add Stop and reorder them so your trip follows a practical sequence. Make sure to open route options to avoid tolls or highways if needed. This changes routing logic and can save money or time depending on your priorities. Begin turn-by-turn navigation and listen to voice prompts. They guide lane changes and junctions so you don't miss exits. If you're walking, switch to Live View for augmented reality arrows that align with the real street view. Make sure your map stays centered. Tap Recenter if it drifts. If Maps loses service or shows an incorrect route, pause, refresh the directions, or re-download the offline area. Recalculating will force an updated path and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.